Hi friends, you all are here with the fourth video in the video series on building an e-commerce web application. So we are going to talk about how I created the remember me option in the sign in section. Let's go to the video. This is my index.php file. This is the code for my sign in box. You can check it like this. I have added a checkbox to this remember me option. You can check it like this. This is the label for it. I have added an ID to it. Like I talked about in the previous video, and if you click the sign in button, it will also go to signinprocess.php. Let's look at the JavaScript side of this. This is my JavaScript code. This is the code related to remember me in sign in. I talked about the other things in this in a previous video. So what I want to talk about in this video is the code related to remember me option. Here you can see that we have stored in a variable. I have used Ajax. You can see it here clearly. You can also see that this way. So here you can see that I have append this remember me option with a form data. You can see it like this. So here is how I have used Ajax. These lines I can see the Ajax. So you can see below I have used the post method and also include this in the sign in process. Now let's go to look at my sign in process.php. So we can see it like this, and we can see the select query on it. This is the remember me option code. First of all, let's see how I have include the connection.php in my sign in process.php. And here you can see how to store the data that comes from the post method called $remember me and $R. And here we have a selected query. You can see that I talked about this in a previous video. You can check the remember me option here. So what I have done here is to store the email and password in the cookie. If the $remember me is correct, which is how I have created this, then you can check here. If it's wrong, I have said to remove that email and password from the cookies. That's how I designed it. Now let's go back to our index.php code. This is my index.php file. If there is no value there, it is designed to be empty. We checked it, there is a cookie here. If there is a cookie, we tell it to store it. We check again here for the email and see if there is a cookie related to the password. Then it will be stored in the same way as before in $password. I have programmed it that way. Now let's see how to edit it. So this is my sign in page. you can see it like this, and we can see it and, labels and text fields, two text fields. One is a email text field and other one is a password text field, and this is the remember me option. Now let's try it. I added an email test at gmail.com and I click on the sign in. So you can see this validation, and after that I added a password. So, and after that I click on the button. Now you can see a login successful alert. I click on the OK button. Okay, now we can see this one like this. Change your password. The password you just used the found in a data breach. Google Password Manager recommend change your password wrong. Okay, so we can see this alert. Okay, I'll back, and again I tick on the remember me option. So let's try. Okay, again we can see the login successful, and I click on the OK. So now we can see not alert. So thank you for watching my